Oh my god, I gotta go now, I gotta go now, I gotta go now, I gotta go now. I'm not ready. Alright guys, so I got to the airport like 3 hours early because I heard that airports are crazy nowadays. And of course, I forgot that I live in Calgary, which nobody lives here. So, okay, that's kind of an exaggeration, but yeah, it's not that crazy. So I got through security in 10 minutes. Yay! Anyway, hi guys, I was heading to London, UK. This is where I lived from 2014 to 2016. I started this channel in London, so it's a very special place in my heart, and I was going back for the first time in 3 years. So here I am on the flight. I brought a million snacks with me. I always suggest bringing a ton of snacks when you are on a long haul flight. So I'm having some pistachios, and then I realized that the 2 seats next to me were empty. Do you guys know that high? I get a high when I realize 2 seats next to me are empty, especially on a long haul flight. It was glorious. Anyway, here's me snacking on some vegan jerky. Let me know if you're like me and you get some kind of like food insecurity when you're like not really sure how you're gonna be fed, what you're gonna be fed. I always overdo it and I bring a million snacks. So here's me eating some chocolate covered hazelnuts, delicious. I also brought some sea salt and vinegar chips, so here's me eating that. And I even considered buying a separate meal to take on the flight because I wasn't sure when I was gonna be fed. But I did, of course, request a special meal, which I didn't do before, which is crazy. I think I didn't know you could actually request a special meal before the flight, but you can do that. So when I'm booking the flight, usually if it's a long haul flight, which includes a meal, then I always select a special meal request. And I was flying Air Canada in this case, so I requested an Asian vegetarian meal, which is completely plant-based. And this was okay, like it wasn't amazing. You know, it was edible. It's plain food. I don't expect much. Either way, I was fed and I didn't have to starve. So always request a special meal. And the good thing about requesting a special meal, other than actually being fed on the flight, is that you actually get your meal before everyone else. They just bring it to you before everyone else gets fed. So you get to eat before everyone else. Fun!
The next station is Princess Control. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
We're at a pub. Ooh, it's nice. It's very British.
The name of this place is
Faltering fallback.
Faltering Fallback. I'm obsessed.
I remember like
My first meal in London in 3 years. I got this tofu something Thai food. Looks delicious. It smells so good.
I'm kind of lazy now. Should we watch something stupid? Love Island.
The next day.
How are we feeling, Krista? Oh, you look so fresh.
I feel fine.
Oh, I hate you. Okay, I don't look horrible for, you know, how I feel. I am so happy. How's the dumplings? Is it all right? Same with me. Hello, we are live. This morning was a struggle and a half, but we're alive, and now we are in Camden. Say hi, Christelle.
Hey.
How are we feeling now?
I feel great.
We're feeling great now.
All morning. I don't know about you.
I was not in a good place, but we are now. So we're in Camden. We're gonna get something healthy, or a beer.
What's that? Bad vegan?
Ooh, no, I don't want to go there.
Why? What is it?
It's like a place where they called it bad vegan, but it's like half vegan food and half not. I don't like the way that they market it. I don't like the way that they like did it. I think it's stupid. Okay. Ooh, okay. This is new.
It was here the last time I came here, actually.
Oh my god. You guys, I haven't been to London in so long.
This is very new for me. I don't even know where we are.
Found it.
I know. Sick.
Have a look.
We're getting some bubble tea. Apparently I came to London for all the Asian food. I got a taro bubble tea, which apparently can be made vegan. So I got mine with oat milk. Great.
This is another one of those spots where if you don't know the area, you wouldn't know this here.
Yeah.
But you probably get dropped off at Camden Market.
Yeah. If you're a tourist, you do like Borough Market. Trying it.
Every Thursday to Saturday, 4 to 8 till 8 p.m. Summer Sounds.
Summer Sounds.
During August.
Party time.
4 till 8 p.m.
This is not that great.
How's it going?
It's not bad, but it doesn't taste like the taro that I remember. You want to try it? Bringing back all the memories. Ooh. I used to come here quite a lot when I lived here. Yeah. Smile. Thank you.
That was an eventful situation.
That was a what?
An eventful situation.
Why? What happened?
They knew what they're doing up there, to be honest.
Oh god, it seems like it. They're very slow. Cheers! I guess we're doing this again.
Yeah, well.
Back at it again. We got a lovely seat right by. What is this called again? At the canal?
The canal, Regent's Canal.
Cheers! Yay! Yeah, they must have like gotten so popular that they moved. Hi, I made a reservation under Rose. Is that under my name?
Okay, it might be under my name.
Christelle or Rose? There's spots in there. Yeah, perfect. That's cute. That's cute. Thank you. Oh, it's so cute, Christelle. I'll sit here. This one is the one with the truffle.
Yeah.
That's the name. And then, oh wow, thank you. This one is the Parmigiana rocket salad. I guess we're just gonna dip in and rocket salad and the.
Tables, we should have asked for the garlic dip, weren't we?
Oh yeah. Excuse me. Is there like a dip that we can get for the dough
garlic
balls?
dip.
Do you have a garlic dip?
I'm afraid we don't have the garlic today, but we have a hot maple sauce.
Sure. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. All right. This is the dough ball with some vegan cheese and whatever dip. How is it? Which one did you try?
Garlic. Very nice.
Dough and pizza. That's what it tastes like. Dip is alright. Let's try this Parmigiana. Ooh, okay. Parmigiana. Are you trying the truffle? I love truffle. Good, right? Me?
Yeah. It's bacon dip. It tastes like bacon.
I'm gonna have to try this. Get some chili oil. Let's try the truffle. Which one is better? The truffle? Yeah? Ooh, truffle. Yeah, I remember eating, I think it was something similar.
They're very different pizzas, but I think I prefer the truffle.
The truffle flavor is strong.